Bottega Fiji, good evening, namaste, and assalamualaikum. Welcome to your favorite show right here on FBC TV. This is Jejemon. From whatever part of our beautiful country you are joining me from tonight, thank you for your company. This week we say a big Bottega to our viewers joining us from the gold town of Vatukola, the province of Mba, and if you're joining us from the sunshine coast of Raki-Raki in the province of Ra, I hope you enjoy the show. Next month, one of the country's largest fashion events takes center stage right here in the capital city. The 2019 Bottega Fijian Fashion Festival sashays into Suva from June 6th to the 9th at the Grand Pacific Hotel. A stellar crop of models have been in incubation ahead of the busy week, and I caught up with a few, including international model Phillipa Steele, during the rehearsals here in Suva. Take a look.
My name is Kenny and I'm from the province of Phillipa.
My name is Bale and I'm from the province of Kandalvo.
My name is John and I'm from the province of Vanolelu.
Bola, my name is Vili and I'm from the province of Dakondrave.
Bola, my name is Mika and I'm also from the province of Dakondrave.
Bola, my name is Ben and I'm from the province of Nantronga.
Hi, my name is Kelvin and I'm from the province of Lomai Viti.
And I'm Tara and I'm from the province of Rewa.
So far so good, and I'm even so excited and can't wait to be on the runway.
It is so great to be at the Fijian Fashion Fest.
It's been a great experience so far, the walks and the rehearsals every time.
It's going really well. It's very challenging, but then we are always reminded to do practice here and at home really well. So yeah, it's great.
It's a fashion show where everybody has to be prompt and everybody has to do the best of their ability.
Yeah, it's been challenging. There's a lot of challenges this year. There's 3 runways and trying to work pose and your turns, but preparation is all good.
It's good. Love the experience.
It's good. We're learning a lot now, more with the new choreography, with the new layouts that we have at the fashion show this year compared to last year, and yeah, so far everything's flowing well.
To what the designers have had for us, for each and everyone, that is the most exciting thing that I'm so excited about.
I think the most exciting thing for me is to be able to get a chance to walk in heels on the runway, because I've never done that before, so this will be my first time.
The walk, the designers, clothing, I would like to, yeah.
For me, I'm looking forward to the new runways, since there'll be 3 runways this year. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Showing the clothes, because they're going to be like really beautiful, like working with the designers and having fun.
Being at the festive event, it's something that everybody's looking forward to.
Seeing what our local designers have to bring to the platform.
One thing to tell the viewers, be who you are, wherever you are or wherever you are. Just flaunt it as much as you can.
They should come and try out because it's a great opportunity.
I would say for everybody is that at the end of the day they tell their own story. They'll be the person who says who they are as a person. So for them to come out and do what they love to do, don't let anybody push them around or dream their dreams for them. Let them dream their own dreams.
You'll have to take risks, come out of your comfort zones and take new challenges.
Be yourself. Just be yourself, be who you are.
Tell them like not to think about it too much, just to come down during auditions and just try it out. It's gonna be fine.
I would say just go for it and do it, even though you feel a little bit nervous. Once you start, then you'll get the feel of it, and then you'll just get better at it, because everything takes practice.
Just being yourself and trying it out.
This is Philip, and he's from Laos. This is Laos, and this is Nasoni. He's from Thailand. He was approached by a guy named Pate and invited him, but it was the first time for him. So now he's finding it good. I've been involved in Fiji Fashion Festival. He found it good, and before he was scared, but now he's okay. Said he wants to encourage those who are watching out there to be bold and courageous, to be involved in this, because It'll be a good experience and they'll feel happy about it. For those who are watching out there, don't feel negative, be positive, because if you want to join in this Fiji Fashion Festival, you have to have the boldness to be involved in this.
Hi, I'm Phillipa Steele. I'm the model manager for the new Fijian Fashion Festival, and I'm all the way from Nandranga province. It's going amazing, actually. We've been preparing for the past 3.5 months, and it's really hard work. Well, number one is it's a learning experience for myself as well, because I'm so used to being on the other side. I'm usually the model that takes instructions and does the job, so it's pretty hard for me to be the one to give out instructions. But a major issue is getting the models to be disciplined and be patient. There's over 110 of them. And just working on choreographies. As you know, this year we have 3 different runways. And so it's my job to come up with the choreography, my job to teach them posture, confidence, walks. I'm just excited to see something new. We have a great diversity. We have our trans models, our male, our female. We have a few models that are hearing impaired. So it's just amazing to see them all blend and come together. I'm so amazed by the potential of the models that I see here. Like, I just can't believe that the Pacific actually, you know, brings, I don't know how to say it, but we actually have a scout coming in from Wilhelmina, I heard. So it's pretty exciting because I'm looking at the girls here and they're definitely international standards. So I'm very loyal to my agency at the moment. My agency is now New York Model Management, as Trump Model Management has closed. And the scout who actually found me for Trump actually moved with me to New York Model Management. And they also have Naomi Campbell and all those supermodels on their board. So I'm pretty happy with my agency at the moment. First of all, I know that a lot of people don't really take it seriously because you know, the fashion industry in Fiji is still trying to grow. But I'm just telling you that it's not a lifelong career, you know. Sometimes for models it ends when you're 28, but if you get the opportunity when you're 18, go for it. Don't feel shy, don't feel scared. Hi, I'm Phillipa Steele and I'm keeping it Cheche on Jejemon.
Hi, my name is Ben.
Hi, my name is Billy.
Hi, my name is Mikaele.
And we're keeping it Cheche on Jejemon.
Hi, my name is Kenny.
Hi, my name is Bali.
Hi, I'm John.
And
we're keeping it Cheche on Jejemon.
Hi, I'm Tara,
Hi, I'm Kelvin.
and we're keeping it Cheche on Jejemon.
Some of the models for the 2019 Bottega Fijian Fashion Festival at one of the rehearsals here in Suva. The models are being mentored by Nandranga beauty and international model Phillipa Steele, who will head back to the Big Apple soon to continue her international modeling career. We wish her the best of luck in her preparations. Right, time for a short break. Our international segment is up next. Stick around for our color feature on the 2019 Met Gala. See you soon.